ElasticbeanStalk server using CloudFormation. So this is the official ElasticbeanStalk template, and we are not deploying the PHP. I will show you, but this is the template, a sample template which you can use to deploy it to the ElasticbeanStalk server. So the template is in JSON as well as in the YAML. The one important thing is that this S3 key, this is a universal zip file, and it's not important that it will be in your account S3 bucket, so you automatically will get it from somewhere else in the world. So let's get started with the template I have, which I'm going to deploy in my personal account. So in that template, what we are using, we have this file, we have this bucket, and inside this bucket we have this file store. So in Elastic Beanstalk, in CloudFormation, we are fetching our source file from S3, and then we are deploying it in the Elastic Beanstalk. But for the Elastic Beanstalk, we are using open setting, which is a required field, and we are using a single instance in that. But I will go through all this, and we're using the custom or maybe like existing VPC for that purpose, but you can create a new VPC if you want. But for that purpose we are using um, existing VPC. So this is a template. You have to, I mean, you can change the name of the sub application, like this is the name of the application. If you compare it with the template, with the example template, like the sample application, and what I have changed this S3 in that this solution stack, some open setting configuration in it, and the rest of the things are same to the sample one. So this is my template which I am going to deploy into my CloudFormation template, CloudFormation account, I think. Yeah. Anyway, it will take a few minutes, like 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes 5 minutes to 10 minutes to deploy all the resources into the into account using CloudFormation. So what this template will do, it will create an Elastic Beanstalk in an existing VPC, and it will fetch the data from the S3. So go to the create stack with new, upload your template. So yeah, this is our file. So, but there is few more commands which I'm going to show you, that you can, using those templates, you can deploy from the CLI. But now we are using from console. Server dev. Just leave everything default. Go next. Nothing need to be changed here. I agree and submit. So now it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to deploy all these things. So let's get back in like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, so we can see that our server dev environment cloud template is deployed. We will see the resources. So we will start with the stack info. So its stack is completed. We don't have any description, IAM role, no tags. We will see the events here. So all of these are not in progress, but it is deployed, because we can see here resources. We can see which resources we have created. We have instance profile, roles, our application version, configuration, and then the environment. Nothing in the output, nothing in the parameters. And now we can see the template, the one which we have deployed. So now we can see this, if it is working or not. So now we need to go into the Elastic Beanstalk. It is taking a bit long to load. Okay, so this is our environment, this one application. Click on the environment and click on this link. Different version recommended. Okay, so we need to update the version, but it's fine for now. We can change it from here, but just leave it for now. And when we click on this, we can see that our instance will be deployed into the CP. Yeah, it is working. So we don't want to go further. So just for you to see that we have our source file is in this bucket, and we are using this as we have mentioned here. So this is all. We have successfully deployed our stack to Elastic Beanstalk. We have deployed an Elastic Beanstalk inside the VPC, and we use CloudFormation to deploy this. Thank you so much for watching.